Downtown Victoria is without a doubt one of the reasons why the city is consistently rated as a premier travel destination across Canada. It is picturesque, featuring waterfront paths, charming shops and restaurants, stunning heritage buildings, and picture-perfect locations. The Fairmont Empress is a luxury waterfront hotel and National Historic Site. It is noted for its chateau-style design and decadent interiors. The Royal BC Museum was founded in 1886 and consists of British Columbia's Natural and Human History Museum and the archives. The royal title was approved by Queen Elizabeth II and bestowed by His Royal Highness Prince Philip in 1987. The Inner Harbour is an iconic part of Victoria's landscape and a hub of activity for tourism, commerce, and recreation. Its vibrant atmosphere includes various modes of transportation such as cruise ships, seaplanes, ferries, water taxis, wildlife tour boats, as well as non-motorized recreational crafts. The lights outlining the front and dome of the Parliament's buildings were first installed in 1897 in honor of Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee. Now more than 3,600 light bulbs burst to life every night from sunset to 1 a.m. and then in the morning from 6 to 8 a.m., illuminating and outlining the structure with a dramatic glow. If you would like to discover new destinations and connect with other travelers, hit that subscribe button and join us on our next adventure.